Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm talking about purple shampoo. I have two of the best purple shampoos you can use, so much so that they can turn your hair blue, purple. So they're pretty intense. So I have the Bold Unique purple shampoo. Removes brassy and yellow tones. This one right here, this is a purple shampoo. I used this as a toner in one of my videos. I'll insert some footage, and it did amazingly to tone the hair, to remove sort of the, the unwanted tones. And I was very surprised with the result. And I'll link the Amazon store where you can get it from. Smells amazing. And I think it is one of the most affordable shampoos, purple shampoos that I have tried, that do amazingly on my hair, especially when my color gets dull, because blonde hair oxidizes and it starts looking more brassy, more in the warmer side. And honestly, this one is great. So I like to massage it through my hair, and then I go with more product and kind of place it in the areas without massaging it, in areas where I want it to tone more. So I leave it there for, I would say, I don't know, if I can leave it for 10 minutes, I'll leave it for 10 minutes. But I think the best way to use is just now and then just wiping off a section of hair just to see how your hair is looking, because obviously it could turn your hair blue. Now it will wash off after a few washes, 1 or 2 washes. I usually, if I see that my hair is kind of in the too ashier side, I will wash my hair with shampoo twice and it comes off very perfectly. So I absolutely love this one right here. It's from Bold Unique. They also recommend, actually here, first use, maximum leave it for 2 to 5 minutes. So the first, yeah, I agree with that. The first time you use it, because you don't know how porous your hair is, so try it for 2 to 5 minutes, and then you can gradually leave it longer. So always test, you guys. You don't want to, leave it and then, it turns your hair looking blue or, or purple. So, yeah, absolutely love this one. So I totally recommend it to you guys. This one right here, you guys, this one is scary. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about this brand before. So I'm going to say it. Is it in English? Anyways, so it's the Naissant Professional Shampoo and Conditioner, and it's this one right here, you guys. Now, I was lucky enough because one of my sisters gave this to me, and guys, so there's the shampoo and there's the conditioner. The shampoo is purple and the conditioner is blue. These guys, you guys, these give me a scare every single time I use them. Every time I think I leave it for too long, and I literally leave it like for 3 minutes. I think I don't leave it for that long, and my hair is kind of blue, and I always get scared. I always end up saying, why did I leave it this long? You have to monitor this one to the second, you guys, because it's dangerous like that. Now, it works amazingly, but it could go badly, but again, it will wash off. So what I did was I washed my hair twice with shampoo after using this, just to remove the kind of little purplish hue I had. and it came off easily. But guys, if you need to purchase one of these, I would recommend this one here, and use it not every shampoo, use it like, I don't know, every other shampoo. I mean, I'll use these maybe twice a month, just because otherwise I think it's too much for me. So I have makeup on my hand. So but yeah, now I don't know about the prices, because like I said, my sister gave this to me, so I'll link everything down below for you guys. But if there's one that you need to get these. So the shampoo and conditioner, this is going to do wonders. So totally recommend these two, you guys. They are my absolute favorite. I'll link everything down below. And yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video. So yeah, stay safe, you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.